Have you ever dreamed of earning money while you sleep? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it might be more achievable than you think. Today we're diving deep into the world of passive income. We'll uncover the strategies that can help you build wealth without the 9-to-5 grind. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this video will provide valuable information to help you navigate the world of passive income. From stock market investments to online ventures, we'll cover the most effective strategies out there. Let's dive in. Investing in the stock market is a popular way to make passive income. It's like buying small pieces of different companies. If these companies do well, the value of your shares goes up. Some companies also give out dividends, which means you get a small share of their profits just for owning their stock. You can invest in single stocks or in funds like mutual funds or ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Funds are a good choice for many people because they mix investments from different companies, which lowers your risk, and they're managed by experts so you don't have to do much. But remember, investing in stocks can be risky. The value of your stocks can go up and down because of how the market is doing or how the companies you've invested in are performing. It's important to do your research or talk to a financial expert before you start. A good tip is to spread your investments across different kinds of companies and industries. This way, if one doesn't do well, you have others that might be doing better. Also, think about the long term. Stock prices can change a lot in the short term, but they usually go up over many years. So, being patient and holding onto your stocks for a long time can be a smart way to grow your money. Real estate investment means buying properties like houses or apartments and making money from them. You can earn money by renting out the property to tenants every month, which gives you a steady income. Also, the value of your property might go up over time, so if you sell it later, you could make a profit. People like investing in real estate because it's something real you can see and manage, and it often feels more in your control than something like the stock market. You can choose different kinds of real estate to invest in, like small houses, big apartment buildings, or even places for businesses. But investing in real estate takes a lot of planning. It's not just about buying a property, you also have to take care of it. This means fixing things when they break, making sure the property is safe and clean for tenants, and dealing with taxes and other paperwork. Some people hire companies to manage their properties, so they don't have to do all this work themselves. Real estate also needs a big amount of money to start, and the market can change because of things like how the economy is doing, or if the area where your property is located becomes more or less popular. Even though there are risks, many people find that real estate is a good way to make money over time, especially if you do your research and plan carefully. Creating digital products is a great way to make money online. This can be anything you make once and sell online, like ebooks, online courses, apps, or digital art. The cool thing is, you make the product one time, but you can sell it to lots of people without having to make more. For example, if you write an ebook or make a video course, you put in the work at the beginning. After that, you can keep selling it over and over on websites like Amazon for ebooks or Udemy for courses. This means you can keep earning money from the same product without having to update it all the time. But making money from digital products isn't just about creating them. You also need to let people know they exist. You have to figure out what kind of things people want to learn about or use, and then market your product to those people. You can use social media, emails, or other online ways to spread the word. Even though selling digital products can bring in money without much extra work later on, there's a lot of competition. You have to make sure your product is really good and offers something helpful or interesting. If you can do that, selling digital products can be a flexible way to make money by sharing what you know or what you can create with others. Affiliate marketing is when you make money by promoting other people's products. Here's how it works. You join a company's affiliate program and then share their products with your followers, maybe on your blog, YouTube, or social media. You get a special link for these products. When someone clicks on your link and buys the product, you earn a commission, which is a small part of the sale price. This is a cool way to earn money because you don't need to make your own products. All you do is recommend things you like to your followers, and if they buy them, you get paid. But to do well in affiliate marketing, it's not enough just to post links. You need to build trust with your followers. This means you should only promote products that are good and that you think will be helpful for your audience. It's better to share products you actually use and like, because this makes you more trustworthy. Also, you have to be clear that you're getting paid for these promotions, and you need to follow the rules of the affiliate programs and the platforms you're using, like your blog or social media. It might take some time to start making good money with affiliate marketing, but if you do it honestly and choose the right products, it can be a great way to earn passive income. Making money from YouTube or blogging is a great way for people who love creating videos or writing to earn passive income. If you have a YouTube channel, you can make money when people watch ads on your videos, when companies pay you to talk about their products, or by selling your own merchandise. For blogging, it's similar. You can earn money by putting ads on your blog, doing affiliate marketing, where you promote products and get paid if your readers buy them, writing sponsored posts, or selling your own stuff like ebooks or courses. The key to both YouTube and blogging is to keep making interesting content that people want to watch or read. But remember, making a successful YouTube channel or blog takes time and a lot of work. You need to keep making new videos or posts regularly to keep your audience interested and attract new followers. Knowing how to use SEO, search engine optimization, which helps more people find your content online, is really important too. Both YouTube and blogging are pretty competitive, so finding a special topic you're good at or a unique way to present your content can help you stand out. Even though it's a lot of work at first, once you've set everything up, you can keep making money from your content for a long time, which is why it's such an attractive option for content creators. Making passive income has challenges and risks. Initially, it often requires a big investment of time or money. For example, buying real estate costs a lot, and setting up a blog or online course takes a lot of effort. There's also the chance you might not earn as much as you hoped, as markets can be unpredictable. Learning about investing or online marketing can be hard for beginners too. It's important to know that passive income might still need some work over time. Managing rental properties or updating marketing strategies can take effort. Diversifying your income sources is wise, so you're not relying on just one method. This means if one way isn't working well, you have others to support you. While passive income offers benefits, it's crucial to approach it with realistic expectations, understanding the risks, and being flexible to adapt. Starting to make passive income can be really rewarding, but you need to plan well and be patient. First, learn about the different ways you can make passive income and see which ones match your skills and how much money you can invest. For example, if you're interested in real estate, study how the property market works and what you need to do to manage a property. Or if you want to make money online, learn about things like blogging or affiliate marketing. Set clear goals for how much money you want to make and start with small investments to learn how things work without risking too much. Patience is key in making passive income. It usually takes time before you start seeing a lot of money coming in. Don't get upset if things don't go perfectly right away. Keep working towards your goals and be ready to change your plans if you need to. Talking to people who have already been successful in making passive income can be really helpful. They can give you advice and share their experiences. Also, keep an eye on your investments or projects. Check how they're doing regularly and make changes if you need to. Remember, building passive income is more like running a long race than a quick sprint. With careful planning and steady work, it can really pay off in the long run. And there you have it, folks, a roundup of some of the most effective ways to start making passive income. Now, I'm curious to hear from you. Which of these passive income methods do you think suits you best? Or, if you're already on this journey, share with us what's been working for you in the comments below. Your experiences could be incredibly helpful to others just starting out. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video useful. It really supports the channel and helps us bring more content like this to you. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep building those income streams and paving your way to financial freedom.